guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Grachova. I'm an investment advisor, and here in Russia I work with extremely rich people. I didn't have time to make a video at home. That is why I sit in the taxi and talk. Wait. Oh, it is so beautiful. So let's continue. I tried to do everything from the first step, but there were so many aspects that I don't want to cut, and so let's continue from this moment, from the most important thing that I wanted to tell you. So some years ago I didn't pay too much attention to personal relationships, so I didn't have not only time for friendship but also energy, and I didn't want to be friends with somebody else. I didn't go to restaurants or clubs. So when during my studying process at university, I was in the nightclub only twice, and I was too focused on work goals and my that ambitious that I didn't see anything at all. And I know that for many people, for entrepreneurs who run their own business, it is very difficult to think about anything except this business. And I face such difficulties, but then I understood that my priorities changed, and I want to be like a beautiful woman, to have fun, to have opportunity to live life. So that paradigm of life was that I didn't work to live, I live to work. And I tell you about this because it is really important. People nowadays, they are all very concentrated on their money goals, and they don't think about happiness itself, and they don't prioritize any other aspects of their life. Of course, everybody heard about the wheel of balance, but when you want to achieve something, you think that you don't have any time for anything that don't lead you to goals. And I was that kind of person some years ago. And now we should come back to my thoughts, to my when I spoke to you about friends, that we go today with girls and we will talk about nothing, about women aspects like cosmetics, I don't know. So several years ago it was impossible for me to talk about nothing. I talked only with people that was related to my job, about investments, finance, banks, and something like that. And now I understand the power of such behavior when you go for a walk, when you have like friendship, and it brings you not only energy, but you can see how to achieve your goals, not just in a standard way. Also, when you have time for nothing, you can shift your focus from problems to something that is more positive. And always when you have business, you think about it 24 hours per 7, you will always think about problems. So it is like concept, it is normal that running business brings a lot of negative aspects. So when you reach goals, it not always mean that you will not have that everything else is great. No, very often it works like this, how it worked with me in my life. I achieved goal, I forgot about this goal, and I started concentrated on problems again. And it is really funny that now I spend more time on things that are for my health, for my body. For example, I go to the spa, I go for a walk more often, I spend time with friends. I have now friends. It is really funny to tell you about this, but it is truth. And you should know that I go to the best restaurant in my country. And I don't know what we'll do after restaurant. Maybe we'll go to the party, I don't know. But now I can afford myself, give myself opportunity to do something not for any goal, and to give life opportunity not to have like plans for everything. So I don't plan now anything, and maybe this small trip, this day will bring me more interesting aspects in my life, because I don't expect anything. So it is really great to give your life show you something, not to plan anything. So for people who work very often very hard, it is essential to let something go without your control.
Вот.
Давайте еще раз повторим.
Все.
Давайте повторим.
Блоки. Все нормально, все идет. Так, давайте пальто свое. Все, закрываю. Без меня не уезжайте, девушка.
This night was extremely interesting one. It is very funny that I am in this very comfortable. I took it from restaurant